missed a branch. I filmed right when there was a branch. Oh my god. And guys, what's up? Just had a huge windstorm roll through at about 7 this morning. Severe warned, and we are going down Main Street right here. And look at that. Look at that big tree down on Main Street. A big tree down. Big part of the tree. We did see a whole pine tree down. These gusts were only up to 60 miles an hour. And it did this. Right here. See where I'm pointing? Right there. Mom's driving toward it. We're not going to drive through it, but there it is. Snap a picture of it. Oh, you can snap pictures while you're filming! As you can see, big damage. A lot of damage. Got a little bit of roof damage as well. This was EF0 force winds. But we don't call it that. We don't call it like a tornado came through because it's just straight line winds. Isn't that right? Is that right? Look at that. Look at that branch. Let's go see where that big pine tree was taken down. I want to show everyone all the damage. Look at that. Snap a picture. Snap another picture. Another picture. And another one. I'm going to try to get one over here. Let's see. When it comes by the damage part. Snap! Damn car got in my way! This is where that whole pine tree was down at, right? Yep, there it is. Oh, the sun's gonna ruin it. Look at that. Look at that. My God, guys. I'm gonna snap rapid pictures of this. Boom, 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 boom. Got it. Look at that. He had to saw that in half. Look at this guy. He had to saw this pine tree in half. Pine tree got down, and there was some lightning damage. What street was the lightning damage on? Oh, look at this. We got another one down here.
Max, this is the same one.
I was gonna say what? This is from the other side. The other side looks pretty damaged. This is blocking the
You
street.
only get it. I can tell you right now when you have your camera in your film.
This is severely damaged. We took a beating from this windstorm. Let me see if I can get from here. Look at that. That's a big branch. They had a whole pine tree down.
That's it, Max.
There's the storm up. There's the storm that did all this damage. Just that tree. This is all storm.
Stop this one.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all this. Wow. Mom's not gonna go through that. No, yes she is. She can find a way through that. Show you the damage on at our house.
You can stop filming for a while. Though.
I'm not. I don't want to miss anything else. Look at this. The street's a mess. The street's a mess. The street's a mess. Oh my goodness. Look at the street, guys. It's a mess. Oh, it's the sun at the worst spot. Sorry. I took my brightness down so that it wouldn't be a problem. Okay, guys. So, look at that street turned into a mess. Look at that. Another branch down over here. Snap. Sun came out shortly after the storm passed. Have our air conditioner on. This is the Impala, as you can see here. Impala SS. Look at that. The street is a mess. This is Main Street, right?
No, on D.
D Street looked clean before the storm came through. After the storm came through, this is how it looks now. Before, it looked so nice. Like you could actually walk down the street. Now it looks like
You need
this.
to hold your camera steady. You're gonna make people sick watching your videos that way.
I can't because it's all how bumpy it is. Oh God. Look at this. Tree damage over here. Look at that, you got a whole down tree over there. Half a tree. And they said they had a whole down pine tree down on somewhere, and we found that. By the way, guys, there isn't a bike helmet in the street anymore on East 9th. East 9th, there was a bike helmet that was my sister's bike helmet. And it was hung up on her bike. I'm gonna take you guys around. It's in drive. Alright guys, we're going around. I'm gonna go around, show you guys the damage at our house. Oh God, the sun is ruining this. Sorry guys about the sunlight. Sunlight's just classic. Look at this. I'm gonna get you guys in the shade here. Look at this. Grandma, I know you're gonna be seeing this. This is the damage. Look at that over there. Snap a picture of that. Look at this. We even got some small twigs down over here. This left East 9th Street in chaos. There's our city man. Hello. Oh, city lady. Look at this. This is what it would look like before. No branches, and sometimes no leaves. This is what this part of the street would look after rain. So smaller branches down. This is what it looks like after a huge windstorm. Branches off. It's unfortunate. Hey, you wouldn't happen to know we were in a severe thunderstorm this morning, would ya? Yeah, we were. It's just the damage. It's just a huge branch. Look at this branch. Look at that. This thing is huge. Look at this branch. This is the tree. See that branch up there? That might be where some of this snapped off at. Alright guys, I'm going to leave.